Good morning, guys. Today is a school day and I usually have my alarm set to 6 a.m. even though I snooze it 3 more times before I actually get out of bed. In this video, I'll share what I and my family ate and some of what we did. This is a typical day in my life when I'm home. I start the day by making breakfast for my kids while they get ready for school. They will have pancakes today. I make that and serve with any of their favorite fruits. They usually also have it with a glass of milk, yogurt, or water, whatever they feel like. Then off to school we go. I'm back. Time to settle down to a sumptuous breakfast. This is what I'm having. Avocado sandwich with some spinach, tomatoes, cheese. And I'm going to grill it to give them those sexy lines I talked about earlier. Breakfast is ready. Come and eat. I wash it down with hot chocolate. That's Nigerian tea. Today my plan is to replenish my cookbook on Amazon US, Amazon.com. I'm running low on my cookbook on Amazon Warehouse. I'm going to do the final QC of the books, look through every single page, not really every single page, like, yeah, random pages to make sure that the pages are sequential. So I get one book, do physical checks, it looks good, they're all majorly good. Like, they've already done the physical checks at the printing press, but you know, they may miss something, and then my final QC will pick that out. Then I go through random pages to make sure that the pages are sequential. Just random pages. You know, a lot of people come to me and ask me, I want to write a book, I want to write a book. If you're looking to make money, if you're looking to write a book to make money, you're on the wrong path. Don't do it. Authors don't make money unless you're Dan Brown, Sidney Sheldon, all those authors that write fiction and churn out fiction book after fiction book, and their books are so popular. Unless you are them, you're not going to make any money from one cookbook or one self-help book. No, you're not going to make money from that. It's just a labor of love. All done now. It's been a long morning. Look at what I've done. Ready to go to the US. These smaller ones are a special order from the UK. Yeah. It's going to someone that uses them as wedding gifts and other gifts. Yeah. Now, time for me to take some kind of break. I'm going to have my mid-morning snack. This is my snack. Akiausa. Or Ofio in Yoruba. Akiausa in Igbo. Aya in Hausa. Very good for you. Ooh, I don't want to talk too much about Akiausa. I have a video for you. Actually, 2 videos. That's what I'm having for mid-morning snack. While I'm eating that, I'm going to pay salaries. Yeah, it's almost the end of the month. You know, with the advancement of technology, it's very easy to run your businesses, manage your investments in Nigeria from anywhere in the world. So here I have access to all our bank accounts in Nigeria. Some of the banks, you install it on your laptop. But some of them, they give you the, what do they call it this again? Hard token. Yeah, hard token, because it's physical, you can touch it. So you can use that to approve funds, make transfers, log in. Yeah. I'm doing that while I am enjoying my akiausa. With the advancement of technology, there's no more excuse not to invest in Nigeria if you want to, if it's your thing to invest in Nigeria. Time to prepare lunch for my kids. Kamsi specifically requested spaghetti chicken balls. This is the minced chicken that I marinated earlier and put in the fridge. It's all ready. All the ingredients are there. All I need to do is make the balls and bake it in the oven. Then prepare the spaghetti jollof. I have a video for how I make these chicken balls. I finished preparing their meal and I'm about to run out now. It's 10 minutes to 2 to pick them up from school. My husband is also dismissing at 2 today, so he'll be home about 2:20, 2:30. Yeah, when they come back, they eat their meal, and my husband will eat semolina with egusi soup. We prefer eating swallow in the afternoon and eating something lighter at night. But my children, on any day they want to eat semo, they prefer eating it at night. Yeah, so that's it. You've seen how busy I've been today. It's just 2 p.m. and I'm already fainting. I can't wait to go for siesta. Come see, that's come see, that's come see. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. Yay. I'm waiting for Neddy girl. Hello, come see, how are you? How was your...
Too fine.
You were not too fine.
Because I was running and I like this.
Where? Is this still paining you?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry. But you were running. You should have come here slowly.
No, before.
No, I mean now. You should have come slowly. Sorry. Sit down here. But say hello.
Hello.
How was your day? Of course, apart from the sprain. Fine. Yeah. We're waiting for Neddy girl. That's Neddy girl. Neddy girl. Neddy. She's waiting for me there because normally I go in there. Hello. Why did I come here? Because I wanted to stay here today. But say hello. Hello. How are you? Fine. Well, let's go.
What are we going to eat?
What do you think? What did you request for today?
Meatballs with something.
Meatballs with something.
No.
That's what I prepared.
No, I don't like meatballs.
You don't like meatballs? Kamsi requested it. It's a special request from Kamsi. So while my semo water is on the stove, getting ready to boil, I'll dish Kamsi's and Neddy's food. Kankamoya. Neddy girl says she doesn't like meatballs. So I'm going to put for her anyway. Picky girl. Padre mia, look at how he's eating like people doing mukbang on YouTube. Are you doing mukbang? This is how I make my own semo. Cherewere style. Baby. What kind of trouser is that?
Yeah.
Look at that. semo with egusi soup. My daughter will say egusi soup. Egusi soup. Come and chop. Come and chop. You're not calling people to come and eat, baby.
Come and chop. You wanna eat?
We're about to have our siesta, as is customary in España. You have lunch, you sleep, for 2 hours. And then you can stay there and cuddle, a lot of things, to allow the stress of the morning to go away. It's a very, very good practice. For dinner, I'm going to prepare zucchini spaghetti or zoodles, I'm going to make spaghetti kind of dish using this. Before that, I'll prepare evening snack. It's 6:30, but we still have our evening snack whenever we wake up from siesta. See our evening snack: digestive biscuit and I don't know what to call this juice. Carrot, pear, apple, and pineapple juice. Aya baby, let's go and enjoy.
Are you recording a video?
Why?
Zoodles. All ready? There are so many ways to prepare this. For this one, I simply boiled the chicken, then stir-fried everything, add the zucchini, and dinner is ready in no time. I cooked this while the kids did their assignments. We had dinner, kids off to bed. I and hubby lounged in the living room a bit more to catch up on the day's Nigerian news and watch YouTubers do their thing.
How do you all make millions of dollars cash that you have in your bank account? I came to rant. I share with you guys what our morning looks like or how our day went today. So
today's video in my kitchen, I'll be doing a bit of cooking today. This food I want to cook is what I call this rice survival rice.
Here's our menu of the day at a glance. There you have it, a typical day in my life. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. See you soon.